Many of Townsville's partygoers and politicians have backed calls for tougher penalties for drunken attacks. More than 13,000 Queenslanders have had their say online as the state government looks to overhaul anti-violence laws.
Patrons pitched their ideas on the city's party precinct earlier this month. Townsville's online response was the second largest outside the state's southeast.
There was a wide range of views that were expressed by the public, and it actually proved that there is no one single solution to this.
More responsible service of alcohol in venues made the top four. Increased safety in clubs like CCTV came in next. More than 13% want ID scanners to block entry to rowdy revellers. But above all, the community wants tougher penalties for those responsible for attacks.
If you come in looking to belt someone and hurt them, that there are significant penalties and minimum sentences so that they can sit in a jail cell and cogitate over it for quite a deal of time.
Reducing trading hours had the least public support. Earlier lockouts were also unpopular. The local liquor accord agrees.
Puts a lot of pressure on the transport situation that we've got. The taxi rank is sometimes can be 200-300 metres long.
More than half of those surveyed said they'd witnessed a violent attack near pubs or clubs. In Townsville, the Drink Safe precinct is making a difference. Local police say the number of assaults along Flinders Street have halved since the initiative began in 2010. The state government's anti-violence reforms will be released later this month. Claire Barnes, 7 News.